Hey. Whoa! Look at that tire. That was super smooth. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I hope to earn your subscription. What this channel's about, it's basically about Jeeping, off-roading, how-tos, how to clean, how to maintenance, how to take apart, how to put together, how to install, all those things. So if you're a new Jeeper and you feel lost and you don't know where to start, this might be the channel for you. Or if you're Jeeping for a long time, you already know most of the stuff, that's fine too. You might just maybe find some humor in the way I do things. Either way, enough of all that. Let's get this video on the road. We're gonna make a quick video on how to change out the gas charge lift supports in my back window on my 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. All right, so what I need to do is change out the gas charge lift supports of the back window. At the moment, one's not even holding on, and the other one just can't support the window at all. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is support the window with my head. I got a pair of vice grips, and what? Clamp on the piston here and let go, and that's gonna keep the window off my head. Next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and change out this side, and I'm not going to show you how the mechanisms works on this side, but I do want to get one of these held in place, and then what we'll do is show you how to take it off the other side in its entirety. The tools you're going to need for this change out is a simple flat tip screwdriver. One down. What we need to notice is the piston, the chamber itself is on the bottom, so we're going to use the chamber itself on the bottom of the next one. Alright, the way this works, if you can see with the light, all I'm doing is going to put my flat tip screwdriver in the back, and I'm just going to pry this clip back. That's going to make it open up on this side, so it's going to slide around the ball in the window. Alright, now that we got the one side on, let's go ahead and show you in detail how to put the other side on. We'll take it off and put it on here. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the bottom side here. We're going to take a flat tip screwdriver and just pry out this clip. You see how it's just coming out nice and easy. And that releases the window here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take the top of this off. Same process. Pry the clip out. It opens up those two jaws there when you pry it out. And then it allows you to take this off. So let's grab the new one. This side now. Let's open it, see if it opens on its own. Just one of these things was strong enough to open the window by itself, but hopefully that made it easy for you guys. Good luck and have fun wheeling. How's it going, YouTube viewers? In this video, it's going to be a quick how-to change out the hydraulic cylinders that support the back window. How's it going, YouTube viewers? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be quick and simple. We need to change out the hydraulic cylinders that support the back window. Mine went out, so let's go ahead and get it done. Man, the sun is just... How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to change out the gas... Here comes a car. Gotta start over. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick, easy how to change out the gas charge lift supports of my back window. How's it going, YouTube? In this video, it's going to be a quick how to change out the gas charge lift supports for my back window of my Jeep Wrangler 2017. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick how to change out the pressurized gas chamber lift system of the Kalabashnikin. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make a quick, easy how to change out the gas charged lift supports for my back window of my Jeep Wrangler 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Wrangler. Gas charged